if you want to create a scheduled purchase order from it, do you want to create manual invoices from the supplier contract? Then yes. Do you want to click on manual purchase orders? Yes. Do you want to allow catalog from this one? Yes or no. Receive contract line, create obligations, renewal terms, and all those things. So let's create one. And we'll say Olive Garden. Olive Garden contract. There are more different features. Okay, so if you now let's see it one by one. So if I hit schedule invoices, see, if I hit schedule invoices, then it disables these two options here. If I uncheck this, and if I hit schedule purchase orders, then this gets unchecked, and this still enable, right? Click on this checkbox here to create manual invoices, and I can still go ahead and click on allow catalog items. And but once I do that, then I don't get this option to be clicked on. So I'll just uncheck this and I'll say renewal terms. Okay. And here we go. So we'll see different features now. So it's about scheduled purchase orders and manual invoices. So if I hit OK, and now let's create one more. So we'll say Olive Garden, like this, Olive Garden, scheduled purchase orders and manual invoices to be used for scheduled purchase orders and manual invoices. Now we'll say OG scheduled invoices to be used for demoing scheduled invoices. That's it on this one. Then they got disabled here. It's fine. You click on manual purchase orders and you still get the options to create renewal terms here. So first, let's use this one. So this is OG scheduled invoices only, and OG scheduled purchase orders and manual invoices. So we create this one and hit OK here. Then who is the contract? Especially let's say there is a Terrano here. A contract name, schedule purchase order and manual invoices. Demo. Start date, put it like 01/01/2022. Contract sign date is also same. End date, let's say 12/31/2022. Contract amount is, let's say, 12,000. And it's not on hold. We'll say automatically renew this. The buyer is also Terrano. Issue option by email, payment terms net 4 days from supplier payment term. Bill to address is this, 10th cross. Okay. Notice period, no, we'll not give a notice period. Contract over you to see the demo of scheduled purchase orders. Line number, let's say 1. This is 1. Item was ticket. Shows ticket, yes. Pen category, entertainment here. Quantity unit of measure is each. Unit cost, let's say, so this will be 12,000 each, 12,000. If you do not want to renew this, click on this checkbox here. And if you want to, then the real amount will be like 12,000 again, or 14,000, whatever it is. And again, if it gets renewed with the supplier contract, then what would be the quantity? Will it be same like 12? Will it be 14, or whatever it is? So let's not use this option for now. Start date, let's put 01/01/2022. and date will be 12/31/2022. Okay, looks nice. Let's try to hit submit now. Okay, we are still getting the error here. Because with the type, we had selected renewal term. Okay, let's say renewal amount will be 12,000. Unit quantity will be 12. Same error. Renewal term is required, must have a value. Renewal term, where is that renewal term? Let's see. It will be 12 months. The term would be frequency. Months is fine, yeah, of 12 months. Still one error. Select an item that is not already in use on another contract for the same company or company has a planned date. Ship to address. Okay, let's see. Ah. That's what she got. Now we're left with one error, and that is select an item that is already not in use. But why you have an issue with this item here? Okay, let's take postage. MacBook Air, but that will create the asset. No, we don't want that. We don't want that. Let's go to all items. Coffee cup, that looks fine. Let's hit submit. Well, now what? Now the supply contract is done. Okay, so first we'll look at the line level related action, what access we get here. So we go to business process, we see view security, favorites, add, integration reporting, that's fine. Process history. Now let's look at the header level. At the header level, we have create purchase order schedule, so we do that. Method, like spread even or defined installments. I can set 12 installments here. Frequency would be monthly. Schedule from date 01/01. And number of installments is 12. So if you want, you can define a purchase order type also from here. We'll just say goods. Issue option, like how you want to issue this PO to the supplier. So we are saying by email, via email, and this would be the payment terms. Auto submit this PO for approval. Bill to contact is this person. This is the line selected, and hit save and continue. And that is now define Monday of the month. Let's say define date would be contract sign date. Anything else which you think is missing? No. Looks nice. Let's save and continue. Yeah. So once we come to the screen, we have to go to this generate installments. We have to generate the 12 installments for this year. So once you click on this, it will show 12 lines here like this, and the amount of each. Why it's not showing 12,000? Quantity amount. It cancel. Yes, that is fine. That's what I'm saying. It cancel. Why it is showing 0 here? Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's see what happens. Total amount is 0. Purchase order is this. Installment. If I go to this, add it installment hold. It is showing 1,000 here, which is fine. But why not the amount here? But from this installment lines, is little. Why it is not showing? Give me 1 second here. Fix it. Oops. Why? Workday, why? So remaining to order is 12,000. Contract line. Quantity 12. Little measure is each. Extended amount 12,000. Contract amount is 12,000. Good. Then what's the issue with you? Maybe access. Yeah, maybe because buyer is Terra Serrano. Okay, let's say contract, start track. Now it's better. Yeah, because of the access only, I was not getting the option. So good. 1,000 each. So the schedule is submitted now. Approved. Fine. Installments. Yep. Let's create the purchase order. $1,000, which is good. Refresh. It's completed. This is our PO number. So this is our PO number. Now we have to issue this to the supplier. Issue. Issue refresh. Issue order refresh. Successfully completed. So this is our PO PDF. So this is like a standard layout, but in real world, it would be more colorful and more informative layout, which we would be sharing with the supplier to send the goods or services to us. So for that, there is a tool called Workday Studio, which is used by the integration folks and the certified consultants. So there is a separate like Workday training on that given to those consultants, through which they learn how to use that Workday Studio tool and the design its layouts. But for now, we'll just go back to our PO. This is issued right now. And if you see the related action from here, at the line level, you just get these options. And here, you can again create a receipt. We'll say fully received. We'll hit submit here. Back on to Teresa Serrano. Yeah, no worries. We'll just delegate this task to someone else. Oh, this is in process tree and awaiting action. So we'll do one last work here. Well, let's stop proxy.